Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to share internet mobile to laptop. Let's begin. First of all, data on your mobile data or Wi-Fi. Connect your Wi-Fi. Then first of all, connected this Wi-Fi. Okay. We can see this charger internet cable, USB cable. Okay, then put your PC or laptop USB port and put your mobile charger port. You can show this list, then charge this phone and go to setting. Go to the Wi-Fi Bluetooth data usage like this, then click here and you can see this mobile hotspot and sharing. USB sharing, then turn on this. Okay, see this, connect PC or laptop. Go to Chrome browser and running your internet. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.